Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can post Instagram story from laptop or PC. So the first step, you simply need to search Instagram and log in into your Instagram account. So once you done that, you simply need to click on create, but you can see there is only option to post. So how you can post story? So you simply need to click the right mouse cursor and click on inspect. Once you are on that screen, you simply need to click on that option and you can select the dimension from here. So I'm going to select this one for example. Okay, and then you need to refresh from here like this. So okay, now you can see your story. You simply need to click here and let me select any random picture for story. Okay, and then you see in the bottom add to your story option. You simply need to click on that and this picture will be going on your story. Here you can see that now it is uploading. So this is the process how you can post Instagram story from laptop or PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.